boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, a super cool song from a new album. Yes, we're talking about Shaboozey, and yes, now we have some songs coming out on this channel from this new album. Everything about that very soon, but first and foremost, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. So if you want to thank me for all the work I'm doing for you guys on this channel, then go check out my channel, link up here somewhere. It's a full playthrough of songs, and you're gonna learn them from A to Z, chords shown on the screen. So help me out, go and subscribe to that channel. Now, let's focus on Shaboozey's new album, The Outlaw Charlie and Other Western Tales. That's the title. And we have some cool stuff coming out from that album we're gonna cover here on Gruvgear Guitar. So let's start with this one. It's with Gunna, High Noon, that's the title of the song. Cape on Fourth, absolute best scenario. We have a couple of chords to go over, so let's start with the chords. We have the first one, it's the A minor / E. And we're gonna have a lot of slashes here because we want that darker, cooler sound that is used in the song. So that means you're gonna play the open E string, that's the / E parts, and then comes the A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be the C G. So we're gonna have that G note, that's a / G part, third fret E string, then continues with third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have next the D minor / A. So we have the open A string, that's the / A part, and then continues with the D minor, which is the open D, second G, third B, and first E. And then finally we have the F, which is a bar chord. You place Index finger on the first fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Alright, so we're gonna start with the first verse. So we have basically two notes alternating there. It's the open A and open E. I like to have the chord in the bottom there so I can lean upon it and have some cooler sound. So I try to alternate on the bass string, but I also go a bit down on that A minor chord to get the depth of the sound. So okay, not only this, you can hear the difference there clearly. It's a little bit thinner. So twice like that, and then you go over to the CG part and do the same technique. It's now the third fret A and third fret E. Twice like that, okay? You're gonna go back and forth for 3 rounds, so. And on the 4th round, you're gonna play the A minor in the same way. And then go to D minor / A. And that is to play the open D string and alternate that with the open A. Same technique there, I hold the D minor in the bottom, so. And that's the 4th and final round. You repeat that for 1 more time, 4 full rounds, so that will be the first verse. Then into the pre-chorus, 30 seconds in. At the crossroads, that's where in the lyrics. So what you're gonna play here now is pretty much 1 down per chord. So you're gonna play A minor / E, then C G, then the D minor / A, and the F. You could also play that with this down, down, clap down. So that could be the strumming to use for pre-chorus. And with that, you can go into the chorus. You're gonna play it just once in this first pre-chorus. And the chorus happens about 37 seconds in. Meets at high noon, that's where in the lyrics. And what you're gonna play now is the strumming I just told you, the down, down, clap down. And what you're gonna play now is the A minor / E, then the C G. You're gonna play that for 3 times in the same way as you play the verse play. So A minor, C G, A minor, C G, A minor, C G. And then on the 4th round, you're gonna play the D minor / A twice as long as the other one. So just the D minor, okay? So you're gonna play like this. So 1 round on the A minor / E, sorry. So. And then D minor. Alright, so that is where you play the strumming. You can also add up this a little bit more to an action part, so to speak. So not just playing the down, down, clap, down. You can play the down, up, clap, up, down, up. So I'm gonna add in this up in between all the downs. So. Same amount of times. So again, the down, up, clap, up, down, up. Basically down, up, in between all the downs. Okay? So you're going to play that for 2 rounds. The A minor, C, G 3 times, and the D minor 2 times. So, and then you're going to add up that for 2 rounds. So in the same way as you play the verse play, basically. Now, into the second round of everything, it's pretty much repetition when it comes to the verse play at least. The pre-chorus then is twice as long. So 2 rounds of that A minor, C, G, D minor, and F. 2 rounds of that. And then you're going to final out this second chorus in the same way as you play the first one. And then play the outro part right after the second chorus. What you're going to play there is the verse play, 2 rounds. And that is the end, my friend. So, Shaboozey Gunna, High Noon, a cool start on this album here on Gruvgear Guitar, so give it a shot. Not too many chords for, and pretty simple technique in my opinion. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.